Billy White. I went to school here right out of high school, and I graduated from Nashville Auto Diesel College, Lincoln Tech in 1967. Very thankful for the training that I got here at the school. It got me started in my career, and I have stayed in touch with the school for many years. Was fortunate enough to go into the Hall of Fame. I think it was in 2000 when I went into the Hall of Fame. But I've been on the advisory committee for several years, and I just credit the school for giving me the start into the industry, and very thankful for it.
We're looking right now.
Oh, you guys, okay. When do you guys graduate?
July. The end of
You
July.
guys got resumes?
Yeah. The Peak Store has been coming to the campus here in Nashville for, gosh, I know for at least the last 10 years, just through history. We love to come to this school. We get a lot of students that come from the Southeast, East Coast that want to continue their education, and we find a more dedicated student at this campus. I think because they relocate, they make a commitment early on out of high school to come here, and we really get a committed student, great training program. We've had a lot of success with the graduates from this program.
My name is Joe Thalen. I work for Schneider National Carriers. We're here today at the career fair trying to hire new talent. We have shops all across the country. I took the diesel program here at Nashville Auto Diesel College 12 years ago. They really set me up for success in my career at Schneider. There's lots of shop time. I really enjoyed it, getting the hands-on experience. I don't learn well from books. I learn by working with my hands, doing everything. The classroom time to the actual hands-on experience is very well balanced. Get a lot of experience all around in that. When I was finishing up school here at Nashville Auto Diesel College, Schneider came in and did a company presentation for the whole country. The manager who was doing the presentation at the time happened to work at the shop that I ended up getting hired for. I listened to the presentation, liked what I heard, got an interview the following day, started work the following week after I finished. I had a job set up for me before I even left.
Hey guys, my name is Tommy Fitzgerald. I'm with the Fitzgerald family of companies, which includes Fitzgerald Peterbilt, Fitzgerald Collision, and Semi-Casual. So with Fitzgerald Peterbilt, we have 6 locations. We got 4 in Alabama and 2 in Virginia. With Fitzgerald Collision, we have 1 location in Rickman, Tennessee, and with Semi-Casual, we have 1 location in Crossville, Tennessee. And so we do a little bit of everything, but everything we do is all in the Class 8 truck industry. So the reason we're here today is we actually have a Nashville Auto Diesel College alumni who is a service manager at our shop, and he recommended we come out here this morning to check out the job fair and try to get on some more potential recruits. And this morning we've got a notebook full of a lot of really exciting prospects, so really exciting stuff, and we're looking forward to it.
My name's Jeff Cornwell, and I'm with Yancey Brothers Caterpillar. We cover the state of Georgia. We are recruiting at Lincoln Tech at NADC in Nashville because of the amount of students they have and the quality that's coming out. But we're looking for people that have ambition and drive, and that's what we need.
My name's Tina. I work with Kirby Building Systems, which is a Nucor company. I love how interested they are in the specifics of the job. Like, they have specific questions. They came prepared, knowing who we were and having questions like what type of welding we do, what type of products we do, those kinds of things. We have had really great success with the employees that we've hired from Lincoln Tech. We do have a good handful of people that have come from there, and we're pretty happy with it.
Hey, good afternoon. My name is Ann Lewis. I'm a recruiter with HII Newport News Shipbuilding. For you folks out there, have you seen the movie that's been out in the last few years called Top Gun Maverick? Well, those 2 ships in that movie were built by us. We build nuclear aircraft carriers and nuclear submarines. So one of these ships takes about 12 years to build. It costs $13.5 billion. It sails for 55 years and it only gets gas 1 time. And we're the only ones that can refuel them as well. So we pick, for submarines, we're building about 3 a year right now. We come to Lincoln Tech because their students are willing to move. They have a great skill level. They seem to get through our welding school, which all welders start with a naval welding school at our location. And they get through it pretty effortlessly, and they stay with us. We are very happy with the organization, the of their job fairs, the caliber of their students. Their staff is wonderful to work with.
One of the reasons that we come to Lincoln Tech in Nashville is because over the years we've had such great success in hiring people. We like to say that it's from the fact that the school does a great job of selecting students, taking them through and educating them and giving them the basics that they need to enter into the automotive field, both in automotive technicians and also in collision.
You know, the apprentice technicians are really what we're looking for. You know, getting young people into the industry and training them up, getting them to the A-Tech status to where they can really make a great living. This school does a great job with that.
And as I like to say, this is our best fishing hole.
I'm Andrew Walker, graduated here from Lincoln Tech, the welding program in 2019. Was real lost on what to do with my life until I got my certification through welding from here, started work, and then actually used my education from Lincoln Tech to continue my education. So now I have my degree in technical management with a focus on project management. Honestly, wouldn't be where I am in the field I'm at if I didn't go to Lincoln Tech. It was a real enjoyable experience from me.
Philip Holloway with PTL Fabricators. We're out of Clarksville, Tennessee. We do heavy industrial fabrication. We do a lot of industrial maintenance. We do general contracting as well as mechanical piping, process piping. So we hit a lot of different needs for different trades, and we're super excited. It's our first time here at the career fair, and we've been just blown away about how many how many candidates that we've been able to talk to, their interest in our company.
I like coming to Lincoln Tech because I feel like the students that come out of here are well prepared for the industry, not just on the skill set side, but more than anything, they understand attendance, they understand work ethic, they understand the skills that they need to be successful in the industry.
I'm Brandon Rucker from Republic Service. I'm second shift supervisor. We're great to be partnering with Lincoln Tech. We've had great results from the partnership. They've always sent great workers. They teach them, prepare them for the world. Republic Service is kind of the best of both worlds. You get heavy equipment and diesel. We've met a lot of good recruits. We're hoping that they come join the team. We're looking forward to working with a lot of young prospects and, building a great career.
Go Lincoln!